Good evening to one and all. PI of Kalangut, Shri Rapos, Sarpanch, Sean Martins, all the Panchayat members present over here. तुम्ही सगळे कोमटकर आणि all the media, the electronic and the print media. CCTV surveillance. Inauguration of CCTV surveillance in Kalangut. Last 8 months जाले आम्ही हे काम चालू केले आणि we tried to cover places like Baga, Tito's Lane, Kalangut Beach, and सगळी junction आहा पळय around 60 cameras are being installed. आणि त्याचो सर्व्हर रूम आणि जे फुटेज कोणाक जाय जाल्यार मेवतली स्पेशली गोवा पुलीस वा आनी कोणाक जाल्यार कलांगूट पंचायतीच्या ह्या सर्व्हर रुमात. This is one step towards developing Kalangut and Kalangut constituency into a IT, the modern technology. म्हाका दिसता टेक्नॉलॉजी जितकी वाडटा तितली आमची गोंय जे आमी म्हणटा की वी आर स्टील इनटू द स्लोली डेव्हलपिंग. म्हणजे बीच क्लीन करपाक अजुनूय झाडू यूज करता न्ही. दुसरे कंट्री दे युजिंग मशीन्स. रोड्स क्लीन करपाक अजुनूय दे युजिंग ब्रूम्स. देर आर लेडीज टू क्लीन. स्लोली इट इज चेंजिंग. It's a very slow pace of development. We have seen our garbage plant come up. That is the most modern technology. From wet waste to gas, and gas to we have turned it into electricity. So things are changing, and the number of tourists which are coming now is just, I think there's a jump in 100 times than those years. I'm talking 15 years back. The quality has gone and the quantity has come in. So how do we check on this quantity of tourists? So we have to use the technology, and the technology is here, which we are inaugurating today. And this is the first phase of the technology. We are trying to do so many things in the coastal belt to make the village look smart, to see that the village gets all the required infrastructure. Yes, Sokle Korun, are we going to get the same tourists back, which has changed their route from Goa to some other countries? They are gone from Goa to other countries like Malaysia. They are going to Singapore. They are going to Mauritius. They were earlier going to Sri Lanka. Because of some disturbance over there of terrorism, they must have cut down their visits. Maybe 6 months, 8 months after that, they will start going back. So I think we need to do more as far as to bring quality tourists back again to Goa, because finally tourists, we are living on that. Today the economy of the state is on tourism, and we are facing a lot of challenges from within and from outside. Outside is nothing but there is a competition. The other countries are competing with India, and especially where foreign tourism is concerned, we are competing with Goa as far as beach belt tourism is concerned. But quality tourist परत कशें हाडप, म्हाका दिसता हेच्या खातीर स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिझम आहा, ऑल द कोस्टल बेल्ट पंचायत आहा, लायक माइंडेड पीपल. म्हाका दिसता हिंगासरूय कितलेशेच टुरिझम सेक्टरांतले चडशे लोक म्हाका दिसता पण टुरिस्ट टॅक्सीचे हिंगासर वांगडे आहा, हिंगासर हॉटेलांचे ओनर आहा, गेस्ट हाऊसांचे ओनर आहा. म्हणजे स्टेक होल्डर्स आर ओवर हियर in this hall. But finally, are we sitting together and discussing all these issues? म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आमी फाटी उरल्या. Tourism board जो आमी म्हणटाले, when I became MLA in 2012, the budget speech of the Honorable ex-Chief Minister, who is no longer with us, Manohar Parrikar, he had a vision that he will establish a tourism board which will discuss all these issues. CCTV surveillance would have been part of the board to install all over Goa. And CCTV surveillance कित्याक जाय? बाब फिलिपान म्हटला तेजे फुडल्यानूच पार्किंग लॉट आहा. And police cannot have 100 eyes on that parking lot. There is 100 तेंका 50 policemen थिंगाच घालचे पडटले to see each and every car which is parked over there. There are organized thieves, petty robbers. They try to open the car and rob whatever is inside. They try to open the bike, whatever is inside. Take the mobile phone, the purse. Whenever a tourist goes on the beach, he carries a small little plastic bag with him with some money inside. He keeps everything in the bike. And he frequently चोऱ्यो जाता कांदोली बिचार जेन्ना कोण वयता आपले सगळे बायकीन घालून ती आपली कपल चोरली येता म्हणसर बायक ओपन. So all these places which earlier there were reports of thefts, robberies, has to be identified by the Goa police. Panchayat needs to be taken in confidence. I will also attend that meet. GTDC people have to be taken into confidence, and we have to install CCTV cameras at such locations to identify those people who are committing these offences. Atas PI now that there is an increase in number of drug consumers. म्हणजे आमचे लोकल भुरगे आसू ओ इंडियेचे दुसरे स्टेटीतले जे यूथ आहा ओ आनी कोण आहा ते हिंगा गोंया येवन रावता and they have got so much into the drugs that they cannot live today without it. So we see them in the fish market side, and till today we do not have a drug rehab center. आमच्याकडे ना. So sometimes we are forced to send them to Belgaum. If it is a local boy, I help them to send them to Belgaum. There is one rehab center there. We cannot shy away from all these things which are reality of life. आज एक खऱ्यांनी जाता ना आमच्या गोंयान हे सगळ्यो वस्तू घडटा आनी ह्यो जेन्ना वस्तू घडटा तेचेर प्रिकॉशन घेवपाची गरज आसा. Tourism brings with it all the good and the bad. And the bad side of tourism are all these things what we are discussing today. CCTV cameras like because चोऱ्यो जाता कोण drugs सोडटा कोण आनी कितें करता. Somebody is trying to misbehave with a woman on the beach or on the footpath or on the promenade of the beach. सगळे वस्तू ह्यो आयडेंटिफाय करपाक आमकां CCTV जाय. At the same time, drug menace जो गोंयान वाढत गेल्लो आहा, especially coastal belt एक वाटेन आमी पळयता जे अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा थिंगा मोठ्या प्रमाणान चालू आहा. We cannot deny it. As a legislator today, I cannot deny it because we have seen it. We have seen these things happening. ते वाटेन मोठ्या प्रमाणान चाललो आहा. Some of the business stakeholders and the local Goans think that this is also a parallel economy. आयज जर आमकां बरें दिसता की आमची इकॉनॉमी म्हणना फुडें भरपूर व्हडले त्रास जावपाचे आहा. व्हडले पिक्चरां काडली पंजाबाचेर उडता पंजाब म्हणून आख्खे वर्ल्डाक पंजाब फेमस जाले. म्हणजे पंजाब मीन्स ड्रग कॅपिटल अशें जालें. जे गोंया असो टॅग आमकां पडटलो काय पडला आमचेर पूण 100% पडटलो काय फ्युचराक हेचेर म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी गोंयकारांनी चिंतपाची गरज आहा. And government of the day needs to act. That is, we all of us are equally responsible to see that we do not want drug tourism into Goa. We do not want prostitution tourism into Goa. And tourism brings all these things. But we cannot stop tourism because that is where all the Goan economy lies. So, but we need to keep a check on all these things. And we all responsible people who are over here and who are not also over here, people, all the responsible people from this coastal belt of Goa should stand together to fight this menace. Drugs is very important thing which we have to eradicate. We cannot only speak about it, we need to eradicate it. If the government says that we are going to start a rehab center in Goa, immediately all the news channels of India will tag us as a drug destination. Immediately. That drug cases गोंयान वाढले म्हणून rehab center घातला. Direct म्हणटले. So I think we are lagging behind as far as drug rehabilitation, but we need to fight against this drug menace. And I think one side we need to help Goa police. As Rapos, he will have to work extra hours to see that our coastal belt there is no sale of drugs. There are drug peddlers who are going out of our jurisdiction, going in some other villages, bringing drug. Some are even selling and consuming. Consuming zata hai na. We cannot deny it because we see so many drug peddlers in the fish market. They even rob the fish and sell the fish in the season time. Sumta चोरतात ते बाजारातली रातची आणि वरून खंयच्या तरी रेस्टॉरंटात कोण घेता पळय तेका म्हणजे रातचे वरून ते पॅकेटात दितात. म्हणजे it has reached to such a level that the thefts have increased in the coastal belt. Bag snatching has increased in the coastal belt is because of the drug menace. The young boys and girls are going into drugs, and we need to work on this. The IPS officers who come to Goa from Delhi and other parts, they need to sit with our police inspectors, DYSPs, SPs who are the PIs, PSIs, and work out a strategy how they are going to eradicate drugs from Goa. We cannot. There is a trend which is going on in Goa. We oppose everything. A lot of things which are coming, we rocket by sakta we oppose करतो. मगर इसका ये सगळे गजाली positively चिपकाचे as गरज आहे. Eradicate drugs. Think positive on good tourism. How we can bring in good tourists to Goa. जे त्याला infrastructure लागतं तो आमका दिवचो पडतलो. And today this is the first phase of CCTV surveillance which we have launched in Kalangut, and I assure the villagers of Kalangut that all the other junctions we will put CCTV surveillance. आमका नोदर दोरची पडटली प्रमोट करन की CCTV कॅमेरा तिना उरपाक जाय. अशें न्हू की CCTV कॅमेरा चोरून येले कोणे. म्हणजे घातल्या ते कॅमेरा ते दुसऱ्या मॉनिटर करपाक आणि कोण तरी येता रातचो कॅमेरा घेवन येता. आमका मॉनिटर करपाचें ना म्हणून तेचेर नजर दवरची पडटली आणि identify all the black spots in Kalangut and Kandale, and we will go back to the center that under Ministry of Home Affairs and also under Tourism Department we need to install CCTV cameras on the entire coast of Goa. The coast of Goa is a coast where anything can happen over here. It's connected to the Arabian Sea. There are a lot of tourists who are coming over here, especially foreigners, and they should not be targeted by any terrorism activities. So CCTV cameras अगर आम्ही right from Arambol Keri till Kanpan बसून जर पोस्टाचेर घालीत जाल्यार it is going to be a added attraction not only for to secure our tourism but lot of activities which are bad in nature can be identified from the CCTV camera. I will impress upon the Chief Minister that we should go back to the center and ask funds. पैसे that ये इतलेशेच कामाक म्हाका दिसता आमी 90 lakhs मोडले. It's nothing. Just 5% of the work of Kalangut. But if we really want to install on the beach side and all the junctions in the coastal belt of Goa, we need to spend a lot of money. For that, we require assistance of the center under Department of Tourism and Ministry of Home Affairs. As far as surveillance of the coast is concerned, we can get these funds, and I think Kalangut and Kandoli village panchayat needs to write, and all the coastal belt panchayat needs to write to the chief minister to that Goa should come, especially the coastal belt should come under CCTV surveillance. I thank once again village panchayat of Kalangut for initiating these works, and I look forward that this should be maintained. कितें करपाक जाता म्हणजे आज सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेराज घातले ते मेंटेन करपाची गरज आसता. डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां घालून दिले जीटीडीसी, बट मेंटेन करपाक जाय ते. सो मेंटेनन्स इज अ बिग वर्क which is a challenge before the village panchayat of Kalangut. I think with the help of GTDC they will maintain it, and same thing we have to see the second phase जाताना first phase चालू आसपाक जाय. अशें न्हू की second phase आमी CCTV camera घालता तेन्ना first phase काबार जाल्ल्या म्हणजे they are not working, then it is not worth doing this work. So let us maintain the first phase and start the second phase of CCTV cameras in Kalangut. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I visual.
Yeah, very clever. Full 360.
See, all clarity आसपाक जाय. This cameras it is installed on all strategic beach locations, good beach locations. Then we are safe. And a policeman has to monitor this.
Yeah.
Who is the rank of assistant sub inspector at least, who knows who is who. Like any boats coming from this side, if he sees that they are not they are suspicious or they are not tourists, especially fishermen or something, he should immediately alert आमचे dial 100 or send police over there verification. हे जावपाची गरज आहे. The attack in Mumbai was similar. They came from the sea. So today anything is possible. We need to take precautions.
Zoom the 3 camera.
असले कॅमेरा घालपाक जाय. कोलवा जावं ते अंजुना, वागाता, शापोरा, मोर्जी, आरांबोल, केरी, कांदोली, सिंकेरी. All these areas this has to come.